Konnichiwa, it's me KristinCena and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a box that is Japanese, and yeah, I'm also wearing this anime shirt, one piece, and this is Luffy. And yeah, as what I've said, I've been unboxing is this box. This is a NMNL. It means no make, no life, where I actually don't understand why that's the name of the brand or like the box. No make, no life. Like, I don't understand it. It seems like it does not make sense, but I don't know. I feel like they're supposed to say no makeup, no life. If you know the reason why they named that, then you can drop it down below. And yeah, this is actually the February box, but it's already March and I just opened it. Well, I am actually not unboxing it for the February. I am just reviewing this as a subscription box itself. I have been subscribing to a couple of boxes, Look Fantastic and also Bella Box. So yeah, I just think it would be fun to discover another box, and No Make No Life actually seems so promising, and I've already opened it. I already know what I'm gonna be receiving, but I'll be testing out if any of these products are any good or if it is worth it or not. And for those who does not know, this is a subscription box that retails for 35 USD. I really thought it is in Australian dollars. So when I looked at how much it took out from the bank, it was around $52, which is expensive for a subscription box. My past subscription box, the Look Fantastic, was around $27 and the Bella box around $20. So this is like heaps expensive, but we'll see if it is really worth it. So let's get started and open the box. This is supposed to have 8 to 9 items, Korean and Japanese skincare and makeup. I have here this chocolate milk 1 pack. So I know this is Korean. I know that because I have this before. It also has the milk one, and there's also that green pack. I've had those. I think there's also a strawberry one. I have these. This is the Dear My Soap with My Love. So it also is in this heart shape, which is amazing. It also has a rose scent, which I don't like. I never like rose, but if you love rose scent, probably you would love this. Not for me. For the next item, guys, another heart shaped product. I have this Melliesh multi-heart color. So I found out because they have a booklet here, which is amazing because it has like instruction. I've checked it out before, and because I cannot read Japanese, this is so helpful for you to figure out what you're supposed to do with the product. So there is no other blush that I can see in the box, so I'm gonna use this as a blush. Oh my god, it's the cutest! This is really like an on-the-go type of product. It's so small. Oh, and it also comes with a little mirror that is amazing and cute. So I'm probably just gonna use this brush. This is not a blush brush, but I'm just gonna use this since it's the only brush that actually fits, and try to put it on my cheek. That is so red. Oh my god! Well, it's also my bad because I did not tap it here first, so it came out that. But you know what? That's nice. Doesn't look bad. What do you think, guys? I just put like a really tiny bit, and I'm impressed. I like this one. I like this color. At first, it's kind of like confronting because it's so red, but as soon as like you blend it out, it looks good. Oh, I also have here this heart pyong. You know what? What I noticed, this box is a mix of Korean and Japanese. So far that I've noticed, all the Korean is in the skincare category, And the makeup, the Japanese, is for the makeup. This is how it's supposed to look like. It has a heart shape and supposed to put it on your eyes. So that's for this one. Now for the third item, we have this makeup palette. There's a matte. There's also like a metallic, which is this gold, and the rest are like just shadows that has like shimmers in it. There is really no transition shade in this one. So so far that I have used this with this very like boring eye look that I made. I'm not good at makeup, guys. I am gonna admit that I'm not great at it. So yeah, this is what I've made. And so far that I have observed, I'm surprised. It's my first time actually. I shouldn't judge, but it's my first time to use like a Japanese brand. But I was like expecting it to be like Korean. By the way, this brand is Beauty World. I was expecting it to be like more same with the Korean style of palette where it's just so soft. Actually, I saw the pigment, especially on this dark color, not so much on this white that I have right here, and also the matte. So far with the blue one, I feel like it's slightly powdery, but it still showed a bit. And also it looked, maybe because of my skin color, but as I applied it, this looks so bright blue, but now it looks like a dark blue on my skin. So probably it depends as well. And this metallic shadow is good. It is just the right amount of glitter that's not so blinding, which I like. And actually it looks good in person. So probably it's not showing as much on the camera, but so far I like this palette, so that's good. This is the Momocos colored eye pencil. So I actually saw here in the package that it's like an eyeliner. So put over here. I am not good at that, but I'm gonna try. But look at this. This is just so cute. Let me just try to put this over my eye. Sheer color. I'm pretty sure it's not obvious on the camera. So that's how it's supposed to look like, but since it's like an eyeliner, it does not really show its like true color. It's very subtle. I also I find myself like trying to like use it to put here. I'm not really as an eyeliner. Well, I'm not an eyeliner type of girl, but because I also don't know how to use it, but yeah, I just see myself putting it like in these areas to like just accentuate my eyes. But you know what? I don't hate it. I don't hate it. For the next one, this is the Heart Crush Velvet Lipstick. Yeah, I forgot that this was supposed to be for the Valentine issue, for the Valentine's Day, because this is the February box. So that's the reason why everything is like a heart, just like this lipstick. This is BE02. velvet, so it really just feels nice on the lips. This color is just good and it's just complementing on my skin tone, which is amazing. Now we've come to the last product that they have in the box, that I have in the box. This is the Capsa Lip Plumper. So yeah, as you can see from the back, it's like your lips, like normal lips, and after you apply this, you're supposed to have a bigger lips, but I'm not gonna do that today. Probably I'm gonna make it like a part 2. You know what, I just thought I should film this later. This is the, yeah, a lip plumper, and I'll see if it really does work or not. So not too bad. So those are the 8 items that I've got, and I paid $52. It's actually free shipping, guys. So it's 52 Australian dollars for me because it depends on the conversion on that date. So it means like with all the items that I've received, it's $6.50 each if like I divide it into the 8 items. So far I like it. Would I buy it again? No. I like the items. I'm just okay with it. It's not like a super, you know, it's not like the standard type of makeup. With the skincare, I'm not mad at it anyway. So maybe it's because I'm not accustomed to using Japanese cosmetics. So, but I'm not saying it's bad items. If you love Japanese makeup and Korean skincare, then this would be a great box for you. Let me know, guys, if you're thinking of getting this box, and let me know if you have already had it. Comment them in the subscription box so I will know if it was worth the money. Is it worth my $52? Probably I would say not really. But yeah, that completes this video, guys. I'm pretty sure this is like very confusing video for you, and I'm giving you guys like this look. I hope it's not too bad. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.